Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my YouTube videos now. This is quite easy for me because all I have to do is I already got myself covered and on myself two apps I use to make my videos. One is Vista Create and the other one is Bean.io, which I searched up here. So today we're just going to go to Vista Create, and this is my little board right here. There's so many options here. They already have templates and everything, but I am not a copycat and I do not use templates. So first let's go with the text. They give me so many options here. I am going to go to the I adore you one. And then we can change that into hi. And then we can do hi, I hope you're, and when you feel good with it, you just have to stretch that out. Then hi, hope you're having, and when this happens, I normally just go that, or I like to be a good day. So that is the one that we're going to do. And for more, I was feeling like, hi, how do you do this? I click on add a new page. And then they have so many options, and you can upload your own font. Backgrounds here too. You can also see that I used a couple of these in my last videos. We have also these pop-up stickers that are amazing, especially for spooky themes. We have animations that actually move. Let's use pumpkin pie, and then we can do pumpkin pie, and then we can do audio too. But I'm not going to do audio today. And it's make sure it's full video HD too. And then you have to click on MP4 here, or else it won't be a video, and then click on download. First, it'll download here on Vista Create, and this might take quite a while, so I'm going to save you up for that. Okay, so it's all downloaded. Then we can go to show in folder, and there it is, in all its glory. And then click on open, and then it says, hi, I hope you're having a good day. For me, it does it. And then it shows the apple pie dances. And now, and then you just go to YouTube, click on your channel, go to YouTube Studios, your channel. Yes, it is my channel. And then click, or you can click on the create button. And I do not feel like giving my phone number to YouTube yet, so keep that in mind. And then we go to files, file, and I'm gonna change that to cool. And then we're gonna do cool. I'm not sure if I'm showing you my life here. And then obviously, if you click on yes, it's made for kids, even though if it is made for kids, it's just gonna show up not in other people's YouTube pages. So it's a quick tip. So click on no, it's not just made for kids. And then click on next. You can add subtitles and things like that. Checks, and then make sure you can do set as instant premiere or not. And I'm just gonna hit publish, and there it is. The video cool. Now it's going to show up. You're going to click on it, and then it shows you like everything you can do with it. And it shows the video. And I forgot the eye as opposed to. And that's how. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.